gotta read it out loud.
No, because I'll cry.
Anna's getting her present from me. Ow! Chocolate orange. Oh my. My eyes are so puffy. I've literally just woken up. Hello everybody. So, Christmas Eve. I almost said Vlogmas. Definitely did not do Vlogmas. My thinking was you can't fail if you don't even try. You're probably wondering where I am. I'm actually in Will's flat because I stayed here last night. We gave each other our Christmas presents. How cute is that? I thought it would be really nice to take you all along on my Christmas Eve festivity. We always have a party at our house every Christmas Eve for like all the people in our village. And I'm also going to be vlogging Christmas Day and giving all my gifts. We also got we also got a Domino's last night, and you already know all about that large garlic and herb Diplo. They literally may as well have given me a straw with a garlic and herb because I drink that shit. Everyone's going to be getting so triggered by this. Not only do I have pineapple on my pizza, I basically just make it a garlic and herb. They should make that an option. I was thinking last night, they should make it an option that you can have just crusts and garlic and herb. How many times can I say garlic and herb? Take a shot every time. It'll be like me last Christmas Eve. God, that's something I do want to forget. And if you're wondering where Will is, he's still sleeping because he got back from St. Lucia yesterday in the Caribbean. His family went away on holiday, which looked, oh my god, so beautiful there. So he's super jet lagged, so he's sleeping because he got like 4 hours of sleep yesterday. I really want to start doing more mukbangs on my channel because like, is this or is this not? Well, for me anyway. This is the most satisfying content to film ever. I can't believe some people literally make a job out of this. They make no cuts to their videos. Literally just upload an hour-long video of them eating. Yes, please. No, a bit of my pizza fell in. Domino's is actually a very recent thing for me. The first ever Domino's I ever had was at Sitsi with Jasmine and Sophie. And not gonna lie, we had it at like 6 AM in the morning, so I can't really remember it. And then the second Domino's I ever had was with Will when we just like drove to Stratford one night and we just got a Domino's at like 1 AM. And I remember getting so enthusiastic about the garlic and herb, and ever since then I've been craving one. I'm putting it off because we said we were gonna get one last night. And she's finished. I actually cannot believe I got through an entire little pot as well as one of the massive ones of garlic and herb. This bitch cannot be stopped. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Good morning, Molly. Merry Christmas, Papa. Retweet or you'll see this at the end of your bed tonight. It's disgusting. Do they know it's Christmas time at all? Here's to us. I thought you whacked a tray over my head. I was like, do you want me to die? What a gummy bear. No! What did you just squeezing it? Gnawing it in. I'm getting really sick of you! What's that ASMR video that's like LeBron James knocks at your door and offers you a cranberry Sprite? Which one? Hello everyone, so I'm back in a dressing gown of course because comfort is key, ladies. I've got some peppermint tea and then also this bowl thing that I'm gonna do a little mukbang. This whole video is just gonna be me eating, but welcome to a day in my life. I wanted something healthy because obviously I had like a Domino's this morning, but it's now 2 o'clock, so I'm getting kind of hungry. These bowls are so good. They're called like soulful bowls and they're kind of like curry pots, but they've got like 300 calories in them and they're super filling. Emma pulling through with my favorite festive snacks. I'm coming in! Oh my god. Anna, when you said you're balding, god, didn't realise it was quite that bad. Thought I looked cute, might delete later. I'm wearing literally the most boring un-Christmassy outfit ever. My top is just a plain black high neck from Miss Pat, and my joggers are Playboy Misguided, of course, and they make your bum look really big. So me and Lottie have just finished filming a Get Ready With Me, hence why the bed is really messy. So we're just waiting for everyone to arrive to have a good time. Have people said they're coming?
Yeah, on the group chat.
Do you know if Molly's coming?
I can imagine she is.
Okay, well.
That's a police!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Child. Hi, how are you? Say hi to my YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Yeah.
Oh, it looks really nice.
You see, I'm good.
Oh my god, Sophia, that's so good. Look at your eyeliner. Close your eyes. That's actually so
Mummy do it?
good.
No, I did it myself. I'm gonna get in there.
No, because you're not in this video.
No, wait, you need to wait, Sophia. You need to wait. We're trying to take a thumbnail.
Yay!
I love being rich. Sluts.
That's steady.
No, what is it? Strong and stable.
Look,
Oh, I love
I'm
those sweaters.
strong and stable like I'm strong and stable like Shrek. I'm strong and stable like Shrek.
You trying to say I look like Shrek?
And please don't fart on me again.
Well, I don't know
That
what
never
you're
happened.
Oh, that's recording. Whoop.
Nice lemon gloves. Special. Who's that special someone, Charlie? Who's that special someone? Everyone has now gone home. It's about 1 AM. So cold. I'm so tired. I'm so ready to get back to the toilet. I'm so ready to get into bed and wake up in it for big. Well, it's already Christmas technically, but. Lol. Hi, Jacob. Lol. Look at this stocking. They just used the sack Will gave me. Wake up, sleepy bitch, it's Christmas. Wake up.
Rather not be filming
No,
me.
I'm not.
Cultural present, Floss.
I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is. Thank you. That's so cool.
You're welcome.
Because I love these ones. Did you know I really like these ones?
Yeah, Mummy said.
Thank you so much. I put my rings in that because I always lose them. Anna's getting her present from me. It's something you can just have forever as long as you look after them.
Oh, sick. Oh my god.
They're really nice.
Yeah, these are wicked. Thank you.
I just thought they're really classic style,
Yeah.
so you can't get sick of them.
Oh, dope. Thank you very much.
No problem. Because you always lose my sunglasses in the ocean.
Yeah.
So
Always. Does that mean more than once?
I think it probably. No, it's happened once.
More than once.
Ooh, what have you got?
I don't know, but I don't think it's a piece of paper.
In a box.
In a box.
That's a bit weird.
What
Would you
is it?
cheapskate?
Oh,
Gotta read it out loud.
because I'll cry.
Gotta read it out loud. You've gotta read
Okay,
it out loud.
I'll do it. Dear Mummy and Daddy, I know this year, especially the last couple of months, have been pretty non-stop at the gallery, and you both dedicate so much time and energy into making your business everything you want it to be. It's been an eventful few years with many highs and lows, yet you both always come out on top. Now I'm wobbling, and the lows
I'm
have brought
wobbling
our family
too.
even closer. Daddy, I'm so proud of you, how strong you are. You have grown and bounced back to life with such positivity since being poorly, and you have acknowledged what really matters and put your happiness first. You completely took matters into your own hands and were so proactive about creating a new and much happier life. And Benem, you have always and will always be my backbone, and I can always turn to you for best advice. You keep me humble and grounded, and I'm so thankful for all your support, especially during my teenage years when I needed it the most. You have both been the most amazing parents, but also the most amazing friends, and I'm sure I can say that on behalf of Anna and I. The last few years I haven't been able to get you anything more exciting than ass plaster hot sauce, which was awesome, or a dark brown lipstick, but this year I wanted you to get you something a bit more special. I hope I haven't hyped this present up too much. I really hope you enjoy it, as you both deserve the world. Merry Christmas, Flosso.
Oh.
You need to open that one now.
I'm not going to guess this then, am I? As I normally can predict, merely by holding a package. Right, you open that end and I'll open this end.
You just need to open the box. Oh, it's upside down. It's upside down.
Oh, Beauty Bay, my favourite. Hopefully, it's a nice wig.
I I've already got 2 you can have.
Right, you do the next bit. It's a bit weird.
What's this?
Just look. And I've put money for your train fares and for dinner in there.
Oh, thank you.
It's on the 17th.
50.
Oh, the 15th. Are we there? Are we here for the 15th?
You're back home
Yeah,
on the
we're back
14th.
home. Okay.
That's lovely, Floss. Thank you.
Lovely.
Just thought it'd be a nice evening because you're always going, oh, I don't have the
We went
time
to
to
see
go
this
out.
before we had you.
Yeah.
When we weren't even married, we
Yeah.
went to see it at the Albert Hall.
Oh, thanks, Flossie. How
Thanks, buddy.
lovely.
No problem. Merry
just
Christmas.
What's this for?
That's for train fares and for dinner.
Thank you.
Oh, you silly mentalist.
What a lovely,
No
lovely
problem.
present. Really lovely.
No problem.
I really look forward to that.
Oh.
Very sorry, I hurt your back. I've used the Jaclyn Hill palette on my eyes and it's super pretty. I'm just going to put my camera on charge quickly so I have enough charge. But we're basically going to be going to, I feel like I'm really overexposed. Probably am. It's a shit camera anyway. We're going over to my nan's house and we're going to go and give her her presents and go and say hello. And then my grandparents are going to be coming around midday, which I don't know what the time is now, but I've had an amazing Christmas so far. I feel so festive. This is the first year that I've actually felt like properly Christmassy. We got the goods for good old Aileesh. Ooh. Oh, crap chat, crap chat. Ooh, they're so pretty. There she is.
There's Nanny.
Bye bye.
Bye, Nanny.
Bye.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Have you got a present? Have you got a present?
Lady growing up.
Ooh.
Wait if I rip it a bit. Wait if I rip it a bit.
Oh. What is it? What is it?
Oh, meaty sticks.
She's such a fighter. Good girl.
Did you say?
Hello. Hello. Are you happy now? Are you happy? And to everyone saying this is animal cruelty, she literally loves being wrapped up. At night she won't sleep till she's had a blanket put on her. Even more. Grandpa, here's your present from me.
Thank you. Bless you.
Grandma, here's yours. Oh wow, thank you. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. It's like a special like uplifting scent or something. I just thought that was quite a cool little...
Lovely, Flossie. Thank you.
Not very exciting, but have you not?
A super chill, like super nice Christmas. My Christmases aren't that crazy. They're usually just like a chill day for me and my family to be together. So yeah, I've just been watching Christmas vlogs and they're all really exciting and stuff. So I feel like this one's gonna be a bit rubbish. Oh, I hope it's not too rubbish. I'm kind of not gonna live my life differently for a YouTube video, do you know what I mean? It's really not that deep, it's literally just my Christmas, nobody probably cares and nobody will probably be watching this anyway. Got a clickbait thumbnail, love that for me. Hi guys, today we have an exclusive interview with the pigeon lady from Baby Life. What the freaking heck? Ooh, she really out here looking like a snack. Lol, this is the most vegetarian Christmas dinner ever.
But you know, I'll let you know how much, and then you can delve it down to it.
You can have to like move swift, but be precise at the same time.
I'm gonna sign off from the vlog now. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe.
What is funny?
You can subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. I love you all so much, and I will see you all very soon. Love you. Bye. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. God, this vlogging camera is really shocking. I'm gonna get a new one in the new year. Yay.